For those who just tuned in, seen from the outside as now Marjorie Rojas being taken to the nearest hospital. Her knee buckled, her right knee buckled earlier. The sequence at the net right in front of Liza Valdez, Rhea de Maculangan.
They're not camera shy.
Yep. She suffered a sprained ankle. Ingrid Reyes is there. Rest of the
Amar
UST
is also there from UST. Mike Ortiz also here.
So she was the one who suffered the ankle injury.
Yeah.
UST took advantage, changed the momentum, and beat Ateneo. Ateneo looked distracted in that match, and they really never recovered. Let's see if they do here and learn from that experience.
Here, Vasho able to hit it cross court. And Eulalia just looked at that ball drop to the floor.
13 serving 16.
All speed. Ooh.
Valdez saves it. De Jesus.
Nice hit.
Valdez keeps it up though. Free ball for FEU. It's two teams.
Dawson again doing a Nakachi, no? Mga hindi masyadong pinapansin. Ayan, ngayon gumagawa ng puntos, and great play and great confidence from Giselle to give it to Dawson.
So FEU so far have been maintaining their distance.
Ooh, in the corner.
18. Coach Roger's going to call a timeout. This might not sound pretty.
That's his last for this set.
For this set.
Aga po, 18-13.
FEU, 18. Bakit pa pinapabayaan nyo? Okay na. Alanganin yung bola. Hindi nyo alam kung outside o inside. Di kunin ninyo. Kung makukuha nyo ng maayos, di kunin ninyo. Kaysa yung nag-aalanganin kayo, babagsak dyan. Aasa tayo sa swerte kung uminside o outside. Pagka nawala yung intensity nyo sa laro, ano bang pumasok sa isip nyo bigla? Lalaki yan, mamamagayan lamang nila, tapos magpapakapagod tayo mamaya kahahabol. Ha? Nakapalo kayo nasa gusto, bihira ng gamitin.
You know, this is a great point because against FEU, they lost the third set, first round. The last game against Adamson, they lost the third set. So they have had problems after leading 2-0. They have complacency problems.
That's true. Nawala nga naman yung intensity ng Ateneo because they were really jumping at those balls, you know, left and right.
That's another point for FEU. And again, the turnaround here was that injury called, oy, mukhang may violation.
Oh, because there's an overreach called on FEU because Jem was about to set it up. But FEU was complaining that Jem wasn't going to set it. She was going to tip it already. So
call sticks. Lead is 4.
Ooh, that's too close.
Over received
by Phil. Coach Roger napatayo after that error from Phil.
Because that was a chance.
That's right. And that was one of the easiest balls to dig in this match. Parang inabot na lang kay Phil.
19 serving 14.
Dawson with 2 points already here.
Agno again.
Oh.
A complete turnaround here.
That's right. I was talking about Basas, who's been making a living from that cross-court hit. Guess where she brings it this time?
Down the line.
Kaya pala down the line, straight into that end zone. Great play.
FEU looking very confident. Oh, I see Mr. Anton Montinola here watching the game. Skynet goes to zone 1 and finds an open spot.
And before I forget, I'd like to greet one of my golf buddies, Dr. Ed Ezeke, who's watching this game today, and my former teammate Dino Hernandez from UST. They're watching and I'm sure enjoying this one.
Speaking of which, oh, this is inside. Then Lazaro, oh, that reaction was priceless. Did you see her reaction? Did you see her reaction? Her reaction was priceless.
That was inside.
Her facial expression. When that ball went in, look at this reactional dig. And it goes to the corner Her face was priceless. We couldn't catch it there, but oh, wow. The shock.
Oh!
Look at that shock. And they score another point here. We've seen it all in this match, haven't we?
Oh, no. And now, Ateneo making a run. FEU calling this time out. Ayun. Oh, right in the middle.
That's a point earlier to make it 2017.
Sige lang kami yan. Sige. Sam, sagay mo lang ha. Sumulong ka lang ng black ha. Taas pa natin, tutulong ka pa sa depensa ha. Taga-tsaga lang tayo ha. Talaga natin lang. Advantage pa tayo ha. Huwag natin pabayain lamang natin ha. Sige. Last five.
Both liberos are holding on to their bodies right now. It's a testament to their intensity. There's, of course, Mr. Anton Montenola from the FEU side.
That's right. He's been here from the opening.
Yes, that's right.
Opening set.
Support of a very crucial match for the Lady Tamaraws, who are hoping to stay in the mix for Final Four or for the step ladder, whatever the case may be. Lazaro goes to Kainglet. Lazaro saves it. Kainglet. Coverage there from FEU. Again, it is Basas. And again, no errors at the net.
That's right.
No
that's
touching.
Right. No touches.
It's a well-played game. This match between Ateneo and FEU.
That's right. And
they win the point or they lose the point. That's it,
right.
no?
The referees are just letting these girls play.
Correct.
Wala namang dahilan to stop it with a call, right?
Kainglet adjusts.
Right in the hole.
FEU defense got flat-footed.
Ito, 21-18. Of course, Mr. Ricky Palou and Mr. Father Jet Villarin, Ateneo president. On the other side, same diagonal ni Sir Anton Montenola. Jesus keeps it up. Oh, that's out. That's out. What a reaction by Kainglet to duck that ball.
Avoiding that ball hitting her head.
That's great reflexes, Doc.
She tries to push it against Eulalio. And whoop!
Look at that. That's great presence.
That's true. That's
the
true.
court presence.
That's true.
Knowing where the line is. But Nakachi.
Ooh, that's crucial. That's crucial.
Napayugo si Coach Roger Pin. Nagtatanong pa siya kung may timeout.
No more.
22 serving 19.
I know he knew that.
Yeah.
He was just trying to check.
Nanggugulo lang. Baka makalusot no? Baka makalusot.
Oh.
That's too casual.
That's
for
right,
Jen Pareil.
that's right.
You know he got Eulalio there.
Eulalio's there.
Yeah, that's too casual.
Who just had the block on Kainglet.
And she is, by the way, the 5th best blocker in this league.
No wonder.
Basas has played splendidly today. Kainglet again. This time Agno couldn't reach it.
It's the same thing over and over again for FEU. That big hole in the middle. They're giving too much respect to their attackers. Akala nila lagi silang papaluan ng malakas. But they're being hit with those off speeds.
If you just tuned in, Majorie Rojas going down as her knee buckled. A suspected ACL injury as FEU brings it to set point. Third set, the fans here at the arena loving the action because they want to see more volleyball.
Oh yeah, definitely. If it's going to be this kind of volleyball they're going to see, they want more.
We're actually trending on Twitter now. This game also, Majorie Rojas is trending also. So please say a prayer for her.
Yes.
This game is not over yet. This set rather. Valdez. Chance here for Ateneo. They go up to the elevator. Masyado mataas. Banyel. Chance again for Ateneo to extend this set. Oh, that's still up. That's still up.
Nice defense from FEU.
Jesus. Close to the net. The joust.
Oh!
Lazaro keeps it up. Another quality rally from these two schools. Ferrer opens up to Ella. Off speed. Giselle C was there. Fans getting into it. Kainglet from the back row. And it's still going. Free ball for FEU. Gervasio saves it. Ferrer goes to De Jesus. Oh, there's a touch. There's a touch.
On Basas. It was on its way out.
It was.
But due to, the reflex reaction of Basas, he just outstretched her hand. Look at this. Palabas na eh. Binitawan niya na yung play eh.
Buhay pa Ateneo dito. Doc.
Wow, that was, again.
You can expect the timeout from Coach Nes Pavilar here. 22-24. Amazing volleyball.
It's turning out to be a classic game.
This is going down.
Lady timeout.
The books is going into the books.
Dito ka. Sino nandito? Pambalikan eh. So, diskarte mo na. 3 spiker mo. So, nag-umpisa. Pag ganunin mo, si Winnet nasa harap ka. Ha? Pakatin mo nun. O kaya pag ganunin mo. O kaya sa harap mong pakatin, ayaw mo si Rose maiwan dito. Ha?
Alright, that's the final timeout of Coach Nes. I think it's a good one, because Ateneo is making a run here. And the momentum, obviously, on the side of Ateneo.
I feel like we have played 5 sets already here. No,
I think we've played 5 games already. Hindi lang sets.
This is the 3rd set. We're still at set point. That's too close to the net. Ooh, that's still alive. Chance for FEU. That's a block and it's in. It's an offensive block, and Ateneo is looking to crawl their way back here into this set. Woo! Look at that block. Guess who was there? Kainglet. And it's in. Tension now. Chance for Ateneo. De Jesus from far away.
Oh, overreach.
Oh, and that's it.
Overreach on Valdez. And credit C for that point.
Yes.
He didn't give up on the play. Tinalunan pa rin niya yung
Correct.
set just to make sure that the referees
Correct.
will
We'll see it. Yes.
And Valdez fell into the trap.
Because if Giselle didn't seem that she was going to set that, okay lang.
Okay lang dahil regalo mo kay Valdez.
Correct.
But the presence of mind of Giselle just won FEU their first set of the match.
25-23, just like the first round meeting. FEU wins the 3rd with the same score. And everybody happy here at the arena because there's more volleyball to come after the break.